Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ, and Yoda, begging for pickles. Today, showing you a part I got off of the Amazons for a muffler deflector on a Honda GX160. Work on a few other types of that style, but what happens is, see, this is an aerator, and it broke off, and look, it just sprays in your face. So this is a deflector for multi-direction, so I can take it like this, and I guess mount it like this way, because if I go, it's either that or like that. What do you think? That way?
I think that's better.
You think it's the best? I don't want it that way.
No.
I was thinking like that down in the way, but I think that'll reflect up on me. So we're gonna try this way out right here. Okay, comes with its screws already. And as you can see, it's a multi-directional. They put holes in every angle so you can put it wherever you need it. I think I might have to mess with this. It looks like the screws might be slightly too big. So we got her. Okay. And then we're gonna start up and we'll see how it works out for us, okay? So, on. Fuel on, hey Yoda. You're not gonna hit sit there, it's gonna be loud. Watch out. Watch out, buddy. Try it out. Never knew how it was gonna work. It works good. It's not my face no more, and the sound's a little directed away from me. So it was like in your face, but the problem was the smell. It would still be coming at me when I move, but it was like right in my face. I couldn't breathe. Couldn't breathe. So I'll put a link down for this below and show y'all it and see if they have it on the YouTube shop. You can buy it there. That one will show up on its own. But pretty nice. How much was it?
$12 maybe.
$12.
18. I don't remember.
18 something. I don't know. It's nice to fix this because I'm not going to buy a whole new machine because of it. So, alright, so I hope the video helps you. If it does, please like and subscribe. Everybody helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.